Good morning, tubers. Welcome back for another adventure, and today's goal is to try to get a ride out of this thing. Right now it has a bit of a crispy critter tire situation, so we're gonna have to go out and find a set of tires for it. That's the first thing. Right now this thing just rolls like a like a wet turd. So let's see if we can't find a set of tires here in the Horde. So check it out. It just so happens I have these tires sitting right here by the garage door. Hopefully they hold air, or hold the air long enough to get a ride out of them and get some sealer into them and get them rolling again. These are from Stormville. I think I picked up the set for like 40 bucks or something like that, 50 bucks. 30 bucks, I don't even recall. It doesn't matter, they were cheap. The rims were worth that much. But let's hope they hold air long enough to get a ride out of. So, changing tires out, easy enough to do. Obviously, jack up the all-terrain vehicle. I like to hit him with a little PB blaster. Personally, I like 6-point. Make sure you're in reverse. And blast them right off. Somebody tighten the heck out of them. Now, this is not an impact socket. Quite honestly, it's a thin wall. But it has a lifetime warranty, so I'm not too worried about breaking it. Anyhow, let's get this off of here. Looks great. We'll take a quick look at the brakes too. I have brakes that are dragging. Actually, I don't know if that's the brakes or the bearing. It might be the bearing. Not a good way to ride it. The brakes, the front brakes are flat. This one's a little better. That one's really bad. Anyhow, I'm going to try pushing the brake shoes in a little bit, and then we'll see what's going on. I don't want to run it like that. If the bearing's that tight, it won't go long before it fails. And the answer is yes, it loosened up nicely. That's a good thing, right? One doesn't want to be dragging brakes. And you could see I did not bend the disc. Time for more tire shopping. Now, I believe these are off of a 200X. $2 for the set, you gotta love it. Actually, if it says $2 for the set, I'm not sure what they're off of. Those are probably off of 200X. Anyway, so I found a set of backs. Now for the fronts. Well, I might have found some. They're way back in the Horde. Wonder if I could get to them without killing myself. Okay, another no-go. So I was going to steal a set from this 300EX, but you guys could see it's the wider pattern, so that's a no-go. Maybe we could go with a set of under the deck tires. We'll give those a try. So after searching around the Horde, I'm not finding a set of wheels for this thing, but we did loosen that up. Hopefully the Krispy Kreme front tires will hold air long enough to get a ride out of it. This is still dragging, as you could see, so we got to loosen the brakes up. Okay, given that I couldn't find a set of front tires easily for this thing, and they're Krispy Kreme, I had a little of this left over, so I put it, particularly in this one, seems to be the leaky one, and it's leaking from cracks like this. I rolled the tire back and forth and it stopped hissing audibly. So hopefully if I take it for a ride, it'll kind of move itself around and feel better. I put the ice racing tires on the back. Turns out the back wheels are pretty universal. Seems that anything will go there. I put the little gas tank on here. I got the old carburetor off and put it off to the side for now. And I guess what I'm going to do is set up the camera. I'm going to try a cold start. This is, you know, ice cold start, right? You can see I have the jug leaning against it. So let's see what happens. Cross your fingers, eh? Okay, wish me luck. Choke on. Portable CDI boxes on. Just put plug wires on. I got to strap on the GoPro and we'll take it out for a ride. By the way,